Oh my gosh. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alexis. I will be changing my name soon, so I won't even say that my name is CurlyBeauty anymore. I will be changing my name on here to Curly Gem. So yeah, y'all, like, I'm so happy to be back because it's been a minute, and it's been such a minute that people have been asking me, like, are you still doing YouTube? So yes, I am still doing YouTube. I just been like on a little break because I had to edit videos. I'm back in school, so I've been really busy, y'all, but I promise I'm back because, you know, this is my happy place. I missed y'all, so I hope you guys miss me too. I have some really good news that I gotta announce. So that will be coming in another video because this video is dedicated to Alipearl's hair. So with that being said, let's get started. So they sent me their 613 straight bob wig, and I don't know if they sent me a 10 or 12 inch, and they had an option between 130 or 150 density. So I'm not sure because this was like probably a month ago that they wrote me, and this package has been sitting in my room for about a month, so I'm not sure the lengths, but I do know it's a 613 bob that I will open for y'all. So we're gonna figure everything out soon. This is the box that it comes in. It comes in a nice white and pink box, and then they also have their hair care instructions on the back. So if you guys do get it, you can see how to take care of their hair. Oh, this is cute. They stepped up. Okay, so they gave me like a little bag, I guess, to put my wig in. That's cute because, you know, oh wait, I had it upside down. There's another hair care instructions card, how to wash your wig and how to care for your wig. There's question and answers, so you guys can go ahead and check this out. They sent me a wig cap. This is actually not my color, but they did send me a wig cap, which is good. It also comes with a spandex. So if your wig is way too big and, you know, you want to make it tighter, you can use this spandex. You can cut it. You can customize it to fit your head, cut it, and then sew it right into the back of your cap so it can fit tight, okay? And last but not least, the most exciting part is the wig. There's no information like regarding if it's a 10 or a 12 inch. I'm really not sure, y'all. Like, I'm so sorry, but this is the beautiful wig. So let's see. Ooh, this is nice. Like, y'all, this is really nice. It comes with a hair nets, which is really good because it protects the hair. First impressions, super soft, okay? It's very soft. Now, this blonde hair has like, it's like that yellow Barbie looking blonde. So if you want to tone this hair, you can definitely tone it if you want. I may end up toning it, and toning it just basically brings that yellowy color out. It'll turn it like white or 613. And that's kind of what I'm going for. So I may end up toning this hair, and it actually looks really cute. Like, it's really soft. This looks like it's about 12 inches maybe. Here is the inside of the cap. It comes with 3 clips, as you guys can see. It also comes with the strap adjuster, so you can tighten this up so it can fit on your head. And it is a lace front. So basically, as you guys can see, the lace, it almost looks like a frontal. I can cut this lace and lay my baby hairs if I want to. So can you guys see that? Now let's try this baby on. I'm gonna actually put my wig cap on just because their wig cap was a little too dark for me. So let's do that. All right, y'all, I know I'm looking a little rough, but I had to put like a black dome cap on because my braids are very big, and I feel like putting a dome cap on before I put a wig cap on is probably going to be the best so my wig can lay flat. So I'm just gonna put this on. Gonna put my wig on. Oh Lord. Oh wow, this is very, I'm just playing. I think this is a medium cap as well. This is a medium cap. Not everybody likes that yellow blonde. I personally like that white looking blonde. So yeah, I'm definitely probably going to change this. I don't know if this is 10 or 12 inches. I really don't know. But I do know it's one of the two. So this is just like the wig, straight on my head, nothing done to it. I will, you know, fix it and everything. So, you know, it can look right. Okay guys, so here you can see my hair is toned, and as you guys can see, there is some like purpley looking pieces or like gray pieces. I'm not a professional or a stylist by any means, you know, but I try my best. So trust the process, because when I blow dry it, everything will look good. But what I use to tone my hair, I use the Purple Shimmer Lights shampoo, and I just shampooed my hair just like I would shampoo my hair with any other shampoo. And then I also conditioned this hair with the Purple Shimmer Lights conditioner, and I left that in there for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. So as you guys can see, I'm just blow drying my hair now, and I'm just using a Denman brush with my blow dryer. You guys can also use another type of toner over top of this toner just to make sure the pieces look nice and everything. But I was actually satisfied with how my hair looked, you know, as it is. So I didn't, you know, go out my way to buy a toner or anything. I just felt like it looked platinum enough for me. And before y'all ask me, no, my wig is not secured down. So I just didn't want y'all thinking like, girl, why is that thing slipping and sliding all over the place? It's just because I didn't know where to put my part yet. So that's why I kind of just left it unsecured. So I'm still learning on how to install, you know, a frontal wig or whatever. So I am not a perfectionist by any means, but I did use my wig cap and I like pulled it down, and I'm using the Got2b glue right before my edges, like kind of before my hairline, not actually on my hairline, if that makes sense. So I'm just rubbing this. And here I'm just blow drying the Got2b glue, and you want this to be like sticky to touch, so make sure you blow dry it enough to where it's sticky and not wet. And here I'm just taking my Got2b spray and spraying it right over where my Got2b glue was. So I'm just spraying this right over top of that, and I'm also going to blow dry that until it's sticky to touch. Now my spray was kind of like disformed, so that's why I kind of like spilled all over the place. I'm cutting where that thick band was, so that excess band I'm just cutting around, or cutting that off. And you guys can see I'm being very careful while I'm cutting this extra band, because my baby hairs is under, you know, the wig cap, so you want to be careful when you do this process. And if you guys notice, I didn't really lay the sides of my wig cap down because I realized I wanted my part to be like in the middle at this point. So I'm just taking my Got2b spray and just going back over the top just to like try to melt it or blend it in. It shows that I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I did try the wig on over top of the wig cap just to make sure it looks good under it, and I realized it did. So then I took my MAC foundation powder and I put it in the middle part where I would be wearing my part, because you want it to look like almost like a scalp. And then I use the adjust straps on the back of the wig to adjust the wig to fit tight on my head. So I tried the wig on here, and then I realized I didn't want a middle part, and I already wasted the foundation powder on the middle part, but that's okay. You can just put the foundation powder where you want your part so it can look like a scalp. Now before I go ahead and cut that lace, I'm just going to clip my hair out of the way so I can have an easier time seeing what I'm doing. So I actually started cutting up in the middle, and now I'm cutting down on the sides. And you want to cut in like a zigzag motion, because when you glue your wig down, this will make it look natural. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard this, but if you didn't, make sure you cut zigzag and do not cut your lace straight across, because it will look very weird and unnatural looking. And then on the other side, I started at the bottom and worked my way up because it was just easier for me. And I think that was like my non-dominant side. So all I did was just apply my xoxo spray on my edges again, and now I'm just gluing down like the wig this time with the blow dryer, and this is going to make the wig stay down. So then I started parting my hair on the side because I realized that's the part that I wanted my hair on. Okay guys, so this is the final result of my 613 wig. I pressed it out and straightened it. As you guys can see, it's very soft, very silky. And what I can say about this hair, y'all, like, I did not get any shedding whatsoever. Like, I got like little strands, but it was like, and for 613 hair, everybody knows 613 hair sheds like a dog. I barely, like, this is the brush that I was brushing my hair with. There's barely blonde pieces of hair, or you know, there's like some pieces of blonde hair in here, but it's not like chunks and glumps of it. Like, it's only like a little bit. And for 613, that's really good, because we all know 613 can shed, baby, and we do not want that. But this hair does not shed, y'all. Like, it's so soft. Now the only thing that I can say about this hair was when I did the parting, I got those little straight, you know, those little short pieces that spring up. So what I did was I had cut them, which I don't know if that was a good idea or not, but I did cut them, and I used a hot comb and I pressed it out. I used some xoxo spray. I sprayed it and then I pressed it out with the hot comb. So it kind of laid it down. You can also use a little bit of xoxo glue to, like, you know, smooth it down so those hairs can stop springing up, because we all know that those hairs are so annoying. But as you guys can see, I love this hair so much. I really am not getting shedding, y'all. Like, it's bomb. Like, they did that. I'm feeling myself. I turned this platinum. I definitely like the color now, because you guys know before it was like a yellowy blonde color, but now I changed it into a platinum blonde. Okay, who can tell me a thing now? So anyway, I hope you guys like this. I didn't feel the need to straighten my hair on camera, just because I feel like, you know, you guys know how to straighten your hair. I also use BioSilk oil before I straighten my hair. You always want to use a type of light oil on your hair before you press it out or blow dry it, just so, you know, you won't get heat damage and all that other stuff. But honestly, y'all, this is good. I didn't know what to do with my part, because 613 can get a little hard, especially with the parting and baby hairs. So I try not to go too much into that because I don't want to mess it up. So yeah, this is the hair. I'm probably going to go back in and cut some of that lace off, and I will update you guys on this hair. I don't know if I want to color it yet. Let me know if y'all want me to color this hair. Comment below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, babes. This is a real quick video, I guess, or hair review on their hair. I love it so much. You guys can also use my code CB if you are interested in purchasing this 613 wig. And once again, I am not sure if this is a 10-inch or a 12-inch, but I will talk to Alipearl because I think they know what they sent me. I don't even know if it's a 150, 130 density. I am not sure. But I can link this wig down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase it. I just still have to figure out, you know, what lengths this is, because it's been a month and a half-ish. It's been sitting in my room, so I do apologize for that. But I hope y'all like this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on that bell so you can be notified when I post. And thank you so much for watching, babes. Bye.